In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rename a folder in Dropbox. Whether you're cleaning up your workspace or making your files easier to find, this process is simple. Start by logging into your Dropbox account and heading to the home page. Find the folder you want to rename from your list and click to open it. At the top of the page, next to the folder name, you'll see a small gear icon. Click on it and a menu will appear. From the options, choose Rename. The folder name will be highlighted so you can type in a new one. Pick something clear and descriptive that reflects what's inside. Once you're done, hit Enter. Your changes are saved instantly across all devices. And that's it. Your folder now has a new name, keeping your Dropbox more organized and easier to navigate. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.